Buddy for being here, post-match press conference for Arnett Gardens against Mount Pleasant Academy. We have the head coach of Mount Pleasant Academy, Theodore Whitmore, and also player Kimoni Billy. Coach, firstly, your reaction, 3 points, your thoughts on the performance today?
Well, yes, I think it was a well-deserved victory. We didn't play up to expectation, but I think the guys grind out a result tonight, and I must congratulate them on a hard-fought game.
And same for you as well, Kimoni. Your thoughts on the performance of your team this evening?
Well, yeah, it was a great one, you know. We didn't go there with hope, we got there with faith and belief. So it was an excellent performance from the guys, and looking forward for the next one.
All right, we can open the floor now for questions. Please indicate and you may pose your question.
Coach, you were asked just in this room yesterday if there's pressure on you to win this game, and you mentioned that the game is on the field. That's where it is won or lost. Your thoughts on overall today? You said you wanted a positive result. Couldn't get better than this.
Well, yes, I think it was a positive result. Not familiar. We didn't spend enough time together, you know, so they don't understand what we want or what we expected from them. Again, you notice with a little belief this afternoon we could have, you know, scored 1 or 2 more goals. But again, congrats to the boy. I'm very pleased with the performance.
Still within your first week around the team, a brand new Mount Pleasant team despite being there last year. This goes on a rest now until mid-September, end of September. The next focus is the Premier League. What does Tapa have to do right now to ensure the team is ready to go?
Well, as I say in the last press conference, we have made our assessment, we have our findings. So it's for us now to hit the ground running.
Yeah, Kimoni, it was in the dying moments when you found the clincher. Talk to us about what happened when you got that pass and when you finished it.
Well, I definitely know that I wanted to kick a few shots once I go on this field, and that's definitely what I got there to do. You know what I mean? And once I get down there and I get in the box, I know I was going to look down and kick this ball.
Coach Whitmore said that you were probably satisfied with the outcome in terms of the result, but the team did not play up to expectation. What was lacking today as far as you're concerned?
Well, again, as I said before, is familiarity. You know, you could find all kind of excuse, but we don't want to find any excuse. We ask the boys to go out there and do one thing, and to give up their best, to give up 110%, and they left it out there on the pitch this afternoon.
All right, thank you very much, Coach.
3 points, Coach. Just tell me how much 3 points mean to get the campaign off the ground.
Well, after coming off a loss, you know, I think for us this 3 points meant a lot to the club, you know, meant a lot to the players, and we just have to keep working and keep improving.
A host of changes also, Coach, and as I said, Kimoni delivered the winning goal. What was the thought behind those changes at the time, and did they carry out the instruction as planned?
Well, again, we have substitution, and that's what they are there for, you know, to come on the pitch and make a difference. And I think the youngster came out this afternoon and he did just that.
And you switched Kimoni from right to left, and you got the goal from there. And just tell me, as after Coach Kimoni, how do you feel, because that is not your regular role?
Well, definitely, it's all about the game and how it is at the moment. And most times, we ourselves, we don't have to wait on the coach to tell us where the problem is, you know what I mean? Sometimes we have to see it out there, and that's what I saw. And so that's when I decided to go on the left side, you know what I mean?
So as I said, it wasn't coach who switched to the left? Coach?
No, as I said, sometimes we don't have to wait on the coach to tell us that, well, go over there on your strong side, or, you know what I mean? You have to see it out there.
Well,
definitely.
Help me with that. I think it comes down to understanding, you know, because, you know, he's been playing with us for the past 2 years, so he know what we want, he know what is required, you know, so, again, let's give it his best.
Coach, based on all the developments leading up to this game, what kind of personal gratification that you have gotten from this win today?
Well, again, it's 3 points, you know, and you go out there and you want to make a statement. And again, we did that this afternoon.
Coach, many were surprised. We've seen Soleil McCullough play for Mount Pleasant for 6 years and never, ever been substituted. A bit of bravery by you there to make that decision?
I wouldn't say a bravery. Again, when you look on the game, the legs weren't there. I think we were giving the opponent too much room to play. We sit back a lot and cause some pressure. So we need legs. So we have to take out a Soleil to bring in a Tevin Shaw in the fold.
Coach Tupper, today we saw fight in the team, we saw hungriness in the team. You're at Mount Pleasant for a couple of days. What has changed?
Well, I think that question would be for the player. Kimon Bailey can explain that better.
What has changed? I think. Now set me up. Set me up.
Yeah, Coach, good afternoon again. A lot of new players would have been brought in this window which you weren't a part of. Can we expect any changes of players leaving or more additions to the squad that would suit your style more?
Well, for now I can speak of that. Again, we haven't started any work with the team as yet. So again, we have to go in and do some work. Get familiar with the players, let them understand the system and see who fit in our system. You never could tell.
Coach Whitmore, I saw you made some tactical change from the first game. You put in two known winner of the JPL, one at the right back, one at the left back, and pay dividends for you in the defensive third.
Well, yes. When you look on the team and how we want to approach this game, I think Ming and Gadil was, fit what we wanted to do. We want to free up Devante Campbell and a Daniel Green, and a quality player. We didn't get enough where we play 2v1 down the sides. But again, as I say, it's still early days, still have work to do.
Can I take one more?
All right.
Any other questions?